I'm Justin Chapple from Food & Wine's Test Kitchen. Join me as I demonstrate mad genius tips. We all love mangoes. They're delicious on their own, they're delicious in salad. I love them in stir-fried rice. But the problem is you have to peel them because the skin's inedible, and that can be hard. But I have a mad genius tip for peeling them very easily, and it involves an everyday pint glass. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take a really sharp knife and cut off the sides of the mango. And now, the best part. So you're gonna take your first half of the mango and you're gonna place it right on the edge of the glass where the skin meets the fruit. And with steady pressure, you're gonna slide the fruit right into the glass. With one motion, I peeled half the mango, just like that. And you can see there's virtually no fruit left on the skin. And you're gonna go a second time. Voila, just like that. Hello. Then you can slice it. You get these perfect slices of mango.